Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I work at Zeiss as an application engineer in sales. One of my tasks is to perform test measurements and inspections for potential customers to test which system setup works best for their components. At the end of such a project, I always present my results to the potential customers and we go into more detail. Of course, I can simply export a PDF report from Zeiss Inspect and present it. But here I lose two important things. Firstly, a PDF is only a 2D view of the 3D object, which could make the result less descriptive. Secondly, I can no longer change my views or evaluations. If I make changes, I have to go back into the Zeiss Inspect software, make my changes there and export a new PDF report. That is why I prefer to use the Zeiss Inspect software as a viewer. To do this, I go into the report workspace and start the presentation mode. The good thing here is that the software is fully integrated and I can change the views. This quickly makes the presentation much more dynamic and easier to understand. For more exciting insights, visit hands-on-metrology.com. You can find the link in the information section below this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.